Hello everyone, myself CA Ashwini Sonone from Instagram handle CA Let's Achieve. As the days are passing, we are losing the focus and concentration required for studying. Is it happening only to you? The answer is no, it is happening to many students preparing for exams. The current scenario is such that very few dedicated people are able to study for long, productive hours. So, we will discuss what you can do to improve your current situation. As it is 19th of May, usually all CA exams would have finished by this day. We have to stop complaining and accept the challenges thrown on us. As CA students, we have always faced challenges like delayed syllabus in classes, long working hours, less sleep, all study and no play. But we all knew that we have to overcome this in order to succeed. Our challenge was similar to those of our seniors. So we accepted these facts in the form of challenges and managed to study through this. The challenges itself were a kind of comfort zone to which you adapted and overcame. So, what are the new challenges now? Disturbance, negative news, extended exam dates reducing the interest on studying, increasing negativity telling our mind that exams might further get postponed, other people enjoying their lockdown while you are studying. But the major of all is you are studying from long time and it has become monotonous and you require a break. So, if you require a break, take it. Take a day off or two and do whatever you want to do except studies, and don't think of studies for that break time. Watch movies, series, call your friends, make food, sleep. Just enjoy your break to the fullest. Try to give yourself a break. You totally deserve it. Once you are back from the break, you can study with more concentration. Now comes the most important suggestion, which very few will implement but will highly benefit to all those who implement. At least you can give it a try. The suggestion is doing meditation. Now, the negativity pops in. We are anyways unable to study. Our portion is remaining. We don't have time or energy for doing meditation. It's a natural process. Whenever you plan to do something new, your brain will give you ideas and suggestions for not doing it. Now, the question arises, how can you overcome your brain? Come on guys, we are CA students, we can overcome anything. Let the brain give its reason, listen to all the reasons and then insist yourself that you still want to give it a try. So the next question comes, when are you supposed to meditate? With all the negative news around, I would recommend you not to read or listen to any negative news. But despite of the warning, you will still listen to it. And then what will happen? We will start thinking in that zone only. Our books are open, but we are thinking about the news and what worse can happen. So this is your trigger point. If you cannot stop listening to the news, you can stop the news revolving around your mind. How? Definitely by meditation. At this point, that is, after watching or listening to the news and resuming back to studies, you have to meditate. Now, we are not going to get into details on how to meditate. You can find many videos on that. Just go with the simple basic ones and try to do it for 5 to 10 minutes at least. Calm your mind and get back to study. In the least case scenario, if you don't want to get into meditation, then you can watch something positive and inspiring to let positivity revolve in your mind. The major question is, how can we stay motivated to study? Motivation depends on individual to individual. Some students are self-motivated, some require a little pushing. What we are going to do is imagination. Now, for few, this might work and for others, the latter part may work. Imagine you succeeded in your exams and your parents are happy. You are feeling at the top of the world. Now, coming back to reality. What is required for getting this imagination into reality is action by way of studying. For others, the fear of failure drives you to study harder. So after all the long study time which you are getting by being so lucky, what you did is didn't study and failed in exams. How do you feel? You don't even get these many holidays for your next attempt. So understand, be smart, start studying if you don't want to fail. This is your chance to make it happen. So don't let it go in vain. If you're done with your first reading and first revision, then this is a reminder for you to take test papers seriously. Start writing test papers and improvise your writing, remembering, and putting it down in correct words. Give 2 days per subject and then write test paper. Start now or never. Thousands of students are writing test papers daily. What are you waiting for? Your next focus should be on productivity. Times are tough, but so are you. If you feel you are not able to study for long hours as you were doing earlier, that is okay, as long as the productive hours are good. If you think you should take 1 hour break after 2 or 2.5 hours study, go ahead and take it instead of sitting in front of the book and daydreaming. You can decide what is best for you and work accordingly. Do not compare the hours of normal days with these tough days. It will be unfair. So study with all your dedication and you will succeed. No negativity can stop a CA student. Our own failure mark sheets are our motivator. Get back to studies with more concentration. All the best. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.